Hello, Mr. Filipino. So, how are you feeling to be in Bali?
Yeah, actually, I am very proud to be in Bali, and all of the countries are very good looking and well trained.
So, how's your flight going here?
Actually, it's fun, but a little bit tiring because of the delayed flight. But it's okay, it's fine.
So, what about a message to your kababayans and invite them to follow you and support you in your journey?
Please do support me and follow me on my Instagram. It's Romart Lagura, and on Facebook and Laban Pilipinas.
Thank you.
Which one is here? Which one is here?
Mr. Myanmar.
Hello,
Hello,
everybody.
how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Today official photo shoot.
So, how is your flight from Myanmar to Bali?
Tired, a little tired.
A little tired.
Yeah, a little tired. Yeah. Bali, Indonesia is very happy landing, happy landing. Yeah, so beautiful. Yeah. Today is a little hot. Today a little hot.
You are hot.
Yeah, love you.
And invite everyone in Myanmar to support you in this act.
အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါMythology မှာကြီးနေတဲ့ပြည်သက်တွေအားလုံးကျွန်တော်ကိုအားပေးကြပါအောင်လို့မြန်မာပြည်သက်တွေကျွန်တော်ဒီ Indonesia မှာ15ရက်ကနေဒီနေ့ first day ပေါ့နော်15ရက်ကနေ23ရက်နေ့ထိကျွန်တော်ရှိဒီရှင်ပြိုင်ပွဲမှာကျွန်တော်ရှင်ပြိုင်နေတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီနေပဲဒီတီးရလာကြတဲ့နိုင်ငံတီးရလာကြတဲ့အညီကိုတွေနဲ့တွေ့ရတယ်လား so happy and excited အရန်ပျော်ပြီးမှအရန်စိတ်လှုပ်ရှားဖို့ကောင်းပါတယ်ဒါကြောင့်မို့ကျွန်တော်ကိုလည်း voting Instagram မှာ voting ပေးကြပါလို့ပြောချင်ပါတယ် love you mama
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello there, Mr. Cambodia.
So hi,
How are you?
I'm very excited to be here in Indonesia, Bali, and this is my dream to Bali Island.
Really?
I'm
First time?
Yeah, my first time. I'm so happy to be here, and to my fan in Cambodia.
Yeah.
ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅតែ support ចំពោះកម្ពុជាហើយសូមឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាជួយ vote ទាំងក្នុង Facebook ទាំងក្នុង Instagram ជួយទៅ like page Man of the Year 2022 or like my page my profile ដើម្បីឲ្យបានឃើញរូបខ្ញុំមានសកម្មភាពផ្សេងៗទៀតជាមួយនឹងបងប្អូនយើងទាំងអស់គ្នានៅទីនេះ a lot of Cambodia a lot of contestant here and please join and support with every time and every day I will post or share with a Man of the Year and with other contestants here thank you so much ជំរាបសួរជំរាបលាអរគុណ
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello there, Mr. Vietnam.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm very good. I'm fantastic.
So tell us about your travel from Vietnam to
Well,
Bali.
actually, I traveled to Bali sooner, very soon because I was here like 2 days ago because the Bali event is a place that I always want to visit, so I come here soon and I go around to Kuta Beach and to the beach walk. Everything is fantastic, you know. So now I'm so ready for the competition. Around me, all my friends around the world, all handsome guys, so a little nervous, I have to say.
So what is your first impression about Bali?
Bali,
Yeah.
beautiful place with wonderful people. You know, when I'm here in Bali, everyone welcome me, very warm welcome, from taxi driver, seller, and everyone just always keep a smile on the face and always like, oh, you look so handsome, welcome to Bali. That's my very nice impression to Bali.
Okay.
Thank you, Bali.
So invite everyone in your country to support you in this life.
Well, say it to my country.
Yes.
Xin chào Việt Nam. Hiện tại khách ở Bali thì mọi thứ rất là tốt, mọi người chào đón khách rất là nồng nhiệt và hy vọng là mọi người luôn hướng về Bali và dành tình cảm cho khách cũng như là Bali, support khách ở trong cái hành trình tiếp theo. Và đêm chung kết sẽ diễn ra vào ngày 21 tháng 8. Mọi người nhớ theo dõi trên trang Mythology cũng như là Man of the Year nha. Cảm ơn mọi người rất là nhiều.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Malaysia.
Yes,
So,
good to see you guys.
how are you doing today?
Okay, we are doing good. We're having a photo shooting today, and then we meeting each other from around the world. So it's really nice for starting a pageant week in Bali.
So, is this your first time in Bali?
Basically, this is my second time. My first time was in 2016 for vacation, but now is different a little bit. But I'm still enjoying the process.
So, what do you like about Bali?
Bali, I like the environment here. Very chill because it's an island, you know. So basically, I like the environment. The weather here is quite hot, but it's nice with sunlight and everything. Yeah.
Okay, so invite everyone in your country to follow
Okay,
and support you.
to my supporters, my followers from Instagram, and my people from Malaysia, to vote me from Official Man of the Year and keep supporting me through until the end of the pageant weeks. And let's see for the final show, guys. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Hola, Dominican Republic.
I don't think so. Hey!
Hola, we're live and this is Ology Pagina. ¿Cómo estás?
Hi guys, my name is Wilson representing Dominican Republic. We are here enjoying this amazing journey. So just stay tuned for the next photos that we'll post. And thank you so much for your amazing support, guys.
So, how was your flight going to?
Was a really long flight, during 24 hours until I come here to Bali. I travel New Jersey, Detroit, Korea. I just stop in Korea and then I come Bali. 24 hours. But yes, just one day. But we are here representing my beautiful country. I am really proud of that, and I will do my best to try to get the crown.
So, invite everyone in Dominican Republic to support you and follow you in your journey.
So guys, my people from Dominican Republic, just support me, follow me, my Instagram, Will Reyes. You can find on my organization, Mr. of the Art, that they are posting photos and videos. So just follow me and support me.
Thank you, Ms. Gasha. Mr. Chile.
Hi.
Hola.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm doing good. So, how was your flight going to Indonesia?
It's complicated, but I lost my baggage.
Seriously?
Yes.
Until now?
Until now, I called the airline, but
How many luggages?
two. The
Small one?
small and the big, and the biggest luggage.
Oh my god. What is your airline?
Land and Jetstar.
Jetstar.
Yeah, in the change, it lost
The luggage.
the baggage. Yeah.
So, you try to call them?
Yes.
Hopefully you will get it soon. So hopefully you will get it, the luggages.
What?
Hopefully you will get the luggages soon.
I don't understand. My English is very bad.
So anyway, what is your impression about Bali,
Bali
Indonesia?
is precious. I like and I appreciate I stay here because it's very pretty.
Yeah.
I like, yeah.
Okay, mensaje para fans en Chile, para
Sí.
soportar.
I speak in Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bueno, mi gente, bueno, ahora puedo hablar tranquilo. Bueno, desearles a todos, mandarles un gran abrazo, gracias por todo el apoyo. Espero que estén ahí todos atentos a las historias. Y nada, desearles y darles un muy buen beso ahí a cada uno y un abrazo. Eso, mi gente.
Gracias.
Thanks.
Hello there, namaste.
Namaste.
So introduce yourself.
I'm Ashish Shinde. I am representing India, and I came yesterday late night, and I am feeling very, very excited. And please support me, support for India.
So what is your impression about Bali?
Bali is so beautiful, and now we are gonna explore tomorrow Bali. Then we will see, and weather is very good.
Okay, what about a message to everyone in India? Invite them to support you and follow you in your journey.
Yes, please follow me on Instagram and please support me. We have many rounds, 2-3 rounds. And please, you will get what I am gonna do.
Okay,
Get it.
Very handsome. What do you feel about Harnas, your fellow countryman
Which country?
who won Miss Universe. How do you feel? How was it celebrated in your country? Her victory as Miss Universe.
Yes, actually India is very crazy about pageants, Miss Universe. Yeah,
So we're very happy.
Yes,
Everyone
yes,
is happy
yes,
in India when she won.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hola.
Hola.
Guapo. ¿Cómo
Thank you.
estás?
Terima kasih.
Okay, so introduce yourself.
I'm Pablo from Spain. I'm very happy to stay here in your country or in Bali, for who is not from here. And I'm very focused to enjoy this experience and all the week, no, with my friends.
So how was
From-
your flight from
Ooh,
Spain
was very long, during until 25 hours, but I was happy and I felt well, so it doesn't matter because now I'm here.
You're finally here.
Yeah.
After waiting for how many years to compete in Man of the Year?
It's my first time compete. I win the national competition in Spain the last year.
Last year.
Yes,
Nice.
last year, and now I'm here.
Okay, so invite everyone in your country to follow you and support you in Man of
Ok, bueno, pues a todos los españoles e hispanohablantes, latinos, daros las gracias por apoyarnos, por seguir la cuenta, por disfrutar con nosotros de esta experiencia. Y si me queréis seguir en Instagram, pues será un placer teneros por ahí para poder compartiros mi contenido. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Сьогодні сподіваюся, що деякі учасники не змогли приїхати. Деякі домовилися. Але я впевнений, що ми нас сьогодні.
Hello there, handsome. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Not bad, you know.
Not bad.
Even cool.
Yeah. So how was your flight from your country to?
Whoa. It was 2 days.
2 days.
2 days,
Wow.
yes. Because the sky in Ukraine are closed, the sky, and I'm going from the capital of Ukraine to the West Ukraine, and then I was going to abroad to a little city to Romania, and there to the Bucharest, where is airport, and then I'm going to from Bucharest to Abu Dhabi, and then I will go to Mumbai, Vietnam, and Bali. But I had transfer in Mumbai and in Abu Dhabi didn't take me visa. Yes, and I changed my tickets, and from Abu Dhabi I was going to Jakarta and then to Bali. And
How many planes?
I'm here.
I'm here finally.
I'm here.
So how many planes
Yes.
did you ride just to get here?
A lot of
A
yes.
lot of planes.
Yeah, but
So-
I'm here and
Yeah,
I'm happy.
that's what's important. And this is your first time in?
Yes,
country?
this is my first time in Bali and the second time in Asia, and I like it.
Really, first one is in Korea, right?
Yes.
So
7
what-
years ago.
What's your first impression about Bali?
Really cool. But I didn't saw too much, but I heard from another people that it's a really cool place, and I trust them.
Your eyes are very beautiful.
Thank you very much. You too.
What color?
Blue.
It's blue.
Yes.
So I know your country's having a hard time right now.
Yeah.
What about a message to everyone?
You know, I never trust that war can come in my country. It can be anywhere and with anybody. Just live and make happy every day. And don't forget, remember that the little war can be big war. And remember for Ukraine and remember for other countries.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Same to you. Bye. Mr. Czech Republic, hello there. We're live in Mississology. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Dominik Habre and I live in Czech Republic. Bali is beautiful country and see you.
Okay, so how was your flight from your
Yeah, my
country
flight
to-
was 16 hours from Czech
16.
Republic and from to Bali.
So invite everyone in your country to support you in this pageant.
What?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hello there.
I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for having me. I am very excited to really participate in this competition, and I will do my best.
So how was your flight from Korea to?
Oh, it was very tough because I actually flew from LA, Los Angeles,
Really?
to Korea, and then I came to Bali. So that was about 24 hours of flying.
Oh my God, that's a
24
long
hours of
flight.
flying.
So you flew all the way from the U.S.
From the
You're
United
based
States.
there.
I was working there for the last 4 weeks.
Just 4 weeks.
4 weeks for
Recently.
business. Yes, yes.
Wow. So what kind of business?
So right now I am an investment analyst, investing in space. We're working with Harvard University and NASA to.
Wow.
Yeah, right now we're doing that to develop medicine in space. Right now.
Really?
Yes.
What did you finish in college, in university?
I studied economics.
Economics.
I studied it.
So you work with Harvard.
Yes, I do.
Oh my
Yes, I do.
God.
We are. It's in progress right now. I'd like to thank my company for letting me be here. After this 2 weeks, I am probably going to be going back to the United States and working on some projects.
Okay, that's cool. So invite everyone in Korea to follow you and support
Of
you.
course, of course, of course. Please do follow me. I will reply to all of the DMs, and I appreciate every last little bit of support that I can get. Thank you very much.
Okay. As we say in Korea, 감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다. 네,
오빠 사랑해요. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, did I not interview?
I use this for class for send videos to my director.
Hello there. So yeah, that's about it. See you later.